Welcome to Passive Profit Pages. Let's do some maintenance first. If you purchased your upsells, if you elected to, then you will have access to those by clicking on these links. One thing that's very important that when you get an email from ClickBank, we'll have a link here to each one of the products you decided to purchase. You will need to click on each one of these links either on ClickBank's download page or from the email receipt you receive. That will activate your membership to each one of these products. And you simply click on them to gain access. If you purchase something and did not get access, make sure to file a support ticket and we can take care of it for you very quickly. Okay, when you're ready to start building your profit pages, click on this big link in the middle here. Now, this is going to be fun for you because it's going to build out the money-making sites that we have. When you come here, watch this main video first. Then go through each one of these videos because they're very, very important. They'll teach you everything you need to know about how to get a ClickBank ID, what to do with that ClickBank ID, how you define your page names, how long it takes. Sometimes it can take several hours. And then if you want to get your own private domain, this is optional. And you simply plug in your whatever ClickBank ID you have, selects which one of these pages you want to build. You can go look at them if you want. They're very easy. Then select the name for your page, and it will build for you. A couple important things for you to know. We have live training. If you didn't purchase upsells and you want to, you may still do it, and you can have access to them here. And we have some important bonus training you should look at the bottom of each page is an FAQ page. So welcome, confirm you've actually got access to everything you purchased, and I look forward to helping you do extremely well with this product.